Dayjay sida nga asinak.
Maliligaw ka pa.
What salawasaw, mama?
Salawasaw ka.
Sinungaling. Salawasaw. So, pareho sila ng meaning nung word that I asked you yesterday.
Ulbot ka.
Yeah, that one.
Yun.
So, they are pareho.
Mhm.
Let's get back to salawasaw. Salawasaw means, for Tagalog speakers, sinungaling. Salawasaw. Sinungaling. I say, I'm from where? I'm from Thailand. Pinas. That means I'm salawasaw? Yeah?
Yeah.
One.